vlogs.
What it do, YouTube? Random Reg here, back at you with another vlog. Vlog game, where you at? Vlog game in the building. Alright guys, you see the title? So, I tried to sell NFTs. Now, if you don't know what NFTs are, for people that's been under a rock, NFTs are non-fungible tokens. And what that means is digital art. That's all that is. Or a digital asset that you can buy and sell online at a certain website. And people are paying big money. I'm talking about big money for these NFTs. Now, what they're using is cryptocurrency. And you know what cryptocurrency is. I don't need to explain that. But they're using this cryptocurrency called Ethereum. I'm sorry, Ethereum. I say Ethereum. Ethereum. So what you do is you can go on one of these sites, buy some digital art or NFTs, and it's not just art. It's just, it can be like games or 3D animations, or, you know, it can be all those different type of things, or cards, collectibles, stuff like that. So it's booming, guys. It's booming right now. So I said, shoot, let me see if I can try to sell this. Because, you know, I'm kind of like on that kick of let me try this and let me try that. Because, you know, I'm random rare, so I got to randomly try something. You know what I'm saying? Keep you guys on your toes on new stuff I might, you know, try to do on this channel. You know, you saw me try to do the counting to 50,000. And didn't quite make it. Only made it to 6,000. And it was like 5-6 hours. I couldn't make it to 24 hours. I got tired. My voice was hurting. You know what I'm saying? I was going crazy. I was delirious. So it was crazy. But so I said, hey, NFTs is popular right now. And I like making money. Let me try to see if I can sell some NFTs. So that's why I wanted to go ahead and make a video about this. Now, what I'm going to do, guys, is show you what I did. Because you probably want to know, did I buy NFTs and sell them? Or, you know, you can make NFTs. And did I make NFTs and sell them? So what I'm going to show you what I did. And this might be a two-part series because I just started. I just put it out there. So as far as making money, I don't know yet. But at least I'll show you what I did to try to sell an NFT. So what I'm going to do, before I go ahead and I'm going to jump on my computer, I need to do this. If you're new to my channel, first time checking me out, please hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell. Don't forget to like me. That's real important. Drop a comment down below. I want to know you guys' thoughts. Share this everywhere. Help me get to 2,000 subscribers, because I'm going to give away some free money to a lucky subscriber. All you have to do is just drop a comment down below. All right, guys, let me go ahead and jump on my computer, and I'll show you step by step what I did. Okay, guys, I'm on my computer. And what I did, I went ahead and got some NFTs made. So let me show you the ones I got. So here's one right here. This is called a Bored Ape. But you can create any type of NFT and name it whatever you want to name it. But this right here is selling for like 3 to 4 Ethereum. And Ethereum is about $4,000 for one Ethereum. So just do the math. So this right here costs 2 to 3 or 4 Ethereum. You're paying a lot of money just for this. So I went ahead and made my own. Now you got others that look different than this. So I tried to make mine look different. Threw a hat on there, threw some glasses on there. Now let me show you another one. This is another ape, but it's like in pixels. As you can see, you know, I went ahead and threw a hat on there, cap on there, gold chain. I call them, you know, the rapper called 2 Chains. I call this 1 Chain. 1 Chain ape, or 1 Chain board ape. You know what I'm saying? I don't know, I might change the name, but that's what I call it right now. So that's 2 of them. Now let me show you the crypto punks, because those are real popular. Here's a crypto punk right here. I call him he's kind of like a monkey too, or ape. So I call him the rich cowboy ape. And here's another one, got a cap on. So people paying a lot of money for these crypto punks. It's probably like, some of them are like 6 or 7 or 8 Ethereum. That's a lot of money, man, for just a little picture like this. It's crazy. I'm telling you, it's crazy. Now, I want to show you one other one I got made that's not popping yet, but they say it will be popping soon. This one right here. I call this bow bunny. But the ones that's real popular that's kind of coming up, I think they call lazy bunnies. So because of the lazy eyes. So I went ahead and kind of copied them, but I went ahead and put like, made the head red. And I don't know if you can see it, but that thing is in the way. But I put a tuxedo on them, you know, kind of like a rich looking bunny. You know what I'm saying? So that's enough of that. You probably want to know, how did I make these? Did I do it myself? No, I didn't do it myself. What I'm going to do is show you, take you to a website where I got it done. So it's the website I got it done called Fiverr. And all I did is typed in create NFTs. So this popped up. Now you got some of them charging a lot of money to get NFTs made. But look, 10,000. He gonna do 10,000 of them for you. You can at least sell at least a good 200 or 300 out of that 10,000. Somebody gonna buy it. So I think it's worth the money. And here's one. I would create an NFT at $30, $10. Here's one for $5. So most of them 10, 20, 30, 40, $50 to make it. Here's one right here. They do it for $5. So I went ahead and picked one of these and I got them made. The most I probably paid was probably like $40. They did like 2 or 3 of them for me. And after that, I went to this other website called OpenSea, and I put them up there for sale. Now, I don't know if I can get on OpenSea right now. It's acting up. I think because everybody and their mama trying to get on OpenSea and sell their NFTs, so it's not running good right now, but I'll try to go to it right now. See, look at that. Oops, something went wrong. Well, at least I can get to this page. Now, as you can see here, it said discover, collect, and sell extraordinary NFTs. So it's the largest marketplace right here. And then see, the website is not running good, so I can't even show you what they're selling out there. But right here be the rankings right here, the top collections over the past 7 days. And it most likely be CryptoPunks, Bored Ape, Sandbox. Sandbox is like a whole different community, or like different, almost like a city or something like that. And like I showed you that Lazy Bunny, that's coming up. They got all different type of NFT arts that's booming right now. And you just kind of like got to get in it early. Buy one of them that's just coming out, put it on here and sell it. Or go to that website called Fiverr and get one made and come on here and sell it. But they got a lot of other different marketplaces where you can sell it on here, because on here they have these fees you got to pay. It's called gas fees, and you got to have probably like at least $100 worth of Ethereum just to cover that, to be able to buy and sell the NFTs on here. So there's other websites out there. I'm not going to look them up. I mean, if you want me to look them up and show you next time, I might. But I wish I can show you my my profile on here, but it seems like OpenSea is down right now. So I went ahead and the ones I just showed you, I went ahead and upload them onto my account on OpenSea, and I got them out there to sell. So, and I just did that the other day. So I'm just going to sit back. Well, not really sit back. I'm going to try to promote them and see if I can at least sell one. You saw I got a lot of them. I got more than one. So, guys, let me know if you want to see part 2. You know, put a comment down below. You want to see part 2 to see if I sold at least one NFT. And guys, if you're new, first time checking the Random Boy out, hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you won't miss any of my vlogs, my random vlogs. And give me a like. It's very, very important if I can get a like. Only takes a second to hit a like. I don't care if 2 people watch this. Please hit the like button for me. It's going to help to get this video out there, because there might be some people that don't know about NFTs, or they're thinking about doing, selling some NFTs, but they want to know if they should and what's the best way to do it. So my video might help them. So hitting that like button is going to be very important, guys. And share this everywhere. Help me get to 2,000 subscribers. I'm getting tired of staying in the 1,000s. Let's get to the 2,000. Let's grow. You saw probably, I don't know, how many of you guys are new on here, but any of you guys that's been on my channel, you saw that I've been laid off my job, so I'm doing YouTube full time. And maybe I have not been putting up videos every day on this channel, but I have on another channel which is called Random Reg TV. Go check it out there. Give me support there. I put up reaction videos over there. I react to like songs and whatnot, different videos. So guys, help me out by sharing this video. And let me know again in the comments if you want to know, if you want to see part 2 of this and see if I sold anything. All right, that's it. It's been Random, and Random Reg is out. Peace.